Rachel, iba ka talaga gumalaw, napakalinis. Pang-international talaga. Yung choreography nyo, grabe, yung mga palitan ng mga steps, ng mga exhibition, ang ganda, and team from last week, nag-improve ka. So, congratulations to both of you.
Tama. From last week talaga nag-improve ka. I love your costume, the two of you. I love the fact, Rochelle, na hindi ka, kahit natanggal yung iyong extension, ang bilis talaga ng presence of mind. May talaga, you made it part of your dance. Okay, nahulog yung buhok ko, pero bakit ba, di ba? True performer, and I love your music. I love the fact that you started with that song and then you led into this. Beautiful.
Okay, Team and Rachel. Alam mo, Team, bilib ako sa